Hi and welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you a really simple but beautiful tomato and chorizo smoked dish. Let's get to it. Okay, so I've got some cherry tomatoes here. These happen to be like a yellow one. They're like a really sweet tomato cherry, but it doesn't matter whichever ones you get. You can use plum, you can even use bigger tomatoes, but these are really juicy, really sweet, and that's kind of what we want. We're going to pair that today with a bit of chorizo. This isn't a spicy chorizo, you can get loads of different ones. This is just a smoky, really gorgeous chorizo. So all we're going to do to prepare this is slice this chorizo, so slice off the end and then we're going to slice it. So once we slice it down the side, then you simply get your finger over here and you pull off this skin. Okay, so once we got all that skin off, the reason we take the skin off is that skin will just go hard, it won't be very nice to eat, and this now will hold its shape, it won't come apart at all. So what we're going to do is slice this down the middle, slice it again into strips, and then dice it up. Add all that to the tomatoes. Next we'll get some olive oil, decent glug of that. This is extra virgin olive oil, and we'll just give that a good mix. Those juices, so you're going to get oil come out of the chorizo, you're going to get the tomatoes burst and all that juicy come up, and then they're also going to caramelize on top. They give a few cracks of pepper, and a few turns of salt. Perfect. So let's put that in the smoker. So the tomatoes and chorizo I had about 30 minutes now. It's time to get them off. So you can see with these, they're all broken down, started to split and go all soft. That chorizo has released all its oil and that is looking amazing. So thanks very much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to leave any comments, any thoughts or any ideas down below. I will always respond to somebody taking the time to reach out to me. Don't also forget to like and subscribe to the channel. But until the next video, I'll see you then.